Hi, it's Colin McIntyre and welcome to my video review of the tube funnel. So the tube funnel is a fantastic product that is being launched on the 10th of July. I think it's a 5-day launch and it's by 3 people I know very well. So I'm going to log on to the web and show you some of the information that you ought to know so you can make a decision on whether the tube funnel is right for you. Now do stay tuned, because at the end of the video I'm going to talk about some exclusive bonuses I've put together for anybody who buys the tube funnel through one of my links. Okay? For me, when I'm reviewing a product, I also start with who is the creators of the product. Do I know these people? Do I know their reputation? Can I trust their work? Do I know what their customer service is like? If I know all of that, it's a real advantage. And the truth of the matter is I know 2 of these guys really well and 1 a little bit. So the product is released by Mark Wightley, Cheryl, Schinzig and Anthony Rousek. So Mark and Anthony were my launch partners of the email cash funnel in April. And Mark is actually my internet marketing coach. So I know Mark really well. I know Anthony pretty well. And Cheryl, I've been a customer of some of her, I've been a client of hers for some of the work she does. So I have worked alongside her. Now, the one thing I can say about these people is that they will provide fantastic support. I know that the standard of the training will be exceptional, and I know the website will be technically sound. I know that because I've worked with them. I know the way they work, how seriously they take all of this. So that's the first thing. The second thing is that I actually know that this product is a relaunch. It's been brought up to date and is being relaunched because the methods that are taught are sound. And this product has sold 700 front-end sales in the past. I expect it's going to do at least that this time round, because it just works. So the other thing I'm interested in is, have these people got real authority? Is this a process that they use? And so you can see a little bit of this if you go and have a look at the sales page, but I'll just take you onto YouTube because I know Mark well. Mark has taught me lots of these methods, had me set up my own YouTube channel, but just show you that actually Mark works on YouTube, and the tube funnel is a YouTube system. So if you search on Mark Wightley, you'll get something like that, which says there's 118 videos, but actually he's in a lot of other niches. And again, I know this one is one of the niches he's in, and this is actually Mark. If you go down to the pictures, you can see they're all Mark. And again, this is one of the ways he makes money, and you can see 160,000 views, and that's just on 8 videos. So this guy knows his stuff, knows what he's doing. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to move on to the sales page and just talk a little bit about what the tube funnel is doing. So the tube funnel, what's it about? Well, the tube funnel is a way of creating a funnel that allows you to collect leads, but also to sell products. And it's a method that involves using YouTube. So there are 2 different methods that are taught. One is around getting targeted traffic by YouTube rankings, so making sure any videos that you're creating have everything that's necessary to rank. And the second one is linking them to related videos and video channels or YouTube channels that are very popular, so that you borrow some of their traffic. The training is very step by step, and we're going to go onto the side in a minute and just show you the type of system it is and everything that's included. because just a couple of methods sounds like a couple of YouTube ranking methods sounds like there's not much to it, but actually there's a lot inside this system. There's plenty of proof on the sales page that you can make incomes of $150, $160 a day, and it's possible to scale. And so when you look at the sales page, you'll see all of that evidence and some testimonials from people that have used it and have found the system to be fantastic. Okay, so that's all there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop now, and I'm going to load a video that I shot a few days ago, which talks about or shows you the way around the menu system. Now, I do know that as part of the upgrade, some of the menus may change slightly by the time you get inside, you buy the product and get inside, but the content will be the same and the look and feel will be the same. So welcome to the back end. So I've logged into the Tube Funnel members area, and this is what the website would look like, the membership site would look like as you've logged in. There's an intro video to welcome you to the site and to tell you a little bit about finding your way around, but you'll do that easily because it's a very straightforward menu system which you access from the top of the page, as you can see. So if you go to the basic membership, so this is the front end product, you get your front end trainings. You can see 12 training videos there, you can see another 7 videos there, all about free traffic from YouTube and how the system hangs together. You're also given a landing page builder, so you can build your own funnels to support this system. How to use it is included in the training. There's a straightforward checklist to keep you online. There's an audio version to allow you to listen in the car. But importantly, Mark has also told you which are the profitable niches to use with YouTube, and you get some bonuses. Now, as you go through the upgrades, you move into slightly more complicated subjects, but ones which will allow you to move faster. So the first one is around backlinking, advanced email marketing training, so you can really use these funnels well. Then there's rank analysis training, so how to make sure your videos are ranking to the best they can, and again there's bonuses for that upgrade. Moving to gold membership, now you're going to move away now into more complicated but really fast methods of making money. So first thing is, Mark has provided 10 packs, 10 done for you lead magnets with the research keywords in a niche that will work for you. They also go on and show you how to start using some paid traffic, some paid advertising, so Bing ads and solo ads, to really drive traffic quickly to your funnels. Mark has provided his list of preferred solo ad vendors, those that he gets most success with. There's a massive video graphics pack included, and again there's bonuses for that level of membership. The next upgrade is actually getting resale rights for the YouTube for the Tube funnel, so 100% commissions. And then finally, the biggest upgrade, or the last upgrade, and the most complicated one, is one which shows you how to do launch jacking, so to jack product launches to make money promoting products, and it covers both YouTube and actually doing it from a blog, so you can do it either on YouTube or from a blog. Included are a monthly question and answer system to keep everybody on track. Also, additional training is being added to the membership site regularly, giving you little tips and tricks and tips that will help you use this product and just basically work in affiliate marketing successfully. There's a one-off coaching call that you have with Mark, who is a very experienced marketer, so that's a really great opportunity. And then obviously there's a support, go straight through to a support desk, so you'll get support turn around at a really quick rate. So that's a tube funnel system, really great method of making money online. Fantastic membership site, nice and easy, with first class step-by-step training. So I think you can see from that quick overview, just going through some of what's in the system, that it's an awful lot. The basic front end is, I think it's going to be something like $15 or $16. So really detailed training for your money. It's on a dime sale to start off with. It will be increasing, but it's still a cheap product even at the end of the launch. The upgrades go into complex methods, more complex methods of making money. But this is where Mark, as an outstanding trainer, really will make these subjects which other people can make complicated very simple. He breaks them down into very manageable steps, always over the shoulder training, so you see exactly what he does. I mean, probably his biggest skill is as a trainer, online trainer. So he will take you through all of those subjects, and all of those one-time offers actually will allow you to build your business more quickly. So they will save you time and allow you to scale more quickly. And so again, I recommend all of them, but have a look at the sales page, see what you think. Okay, so I recommend the product. I recommend Mark and Anthony and Cheryl, because I just know that their attitude is right. I know they'll support you, and I also know that they interact with their customers in a way that is fantastic. That's just what they do. That's how they enjoy their work. So I want to talk about some specific bonuses that I'm going to offer. So some particular ones from me. So first of all, I want to offer you some YouTube case studies. So this talks about 5 or 6 different people who are making a success of having a YouTube presence and how they do that. So you'll have some specific tactics from Mark. This gives you some additional ones to look at. And likewise, the next bonus, which is, what do you need to become a successful social media influencer? So Mark will tell you some specific skills about promoting products, but how do you want to build influence as well? Now, if you're using YouTube to help you promote products, then one great source of products is ClickBank. And so to understand the best way of making money using ClickBank is an advantage. So I've included that. And another program which tells you how to boost your online sales. My final 2 bonuses are, well, you can never have enough traffic. So Mark covers, if you get some of the upgrades, email marketing, talks about Bing ads, and talks about solo ads. So 2 traffic methods, but Traffic Secrets Unleashed gives you a few other strategies to get people to your offers, to see your offers. And finally, what Mark doesn't cover in this program is anything around working with Facebook, and so I've got a Facebook product in there as well. So if you're on my review and bonuses page, you will see a countdown clock which tells you how long my bonuses will be available. As I've said, it's launching on the 10th of July for 5 days. If you're watching this on YouTube, click the link below, and if you're on my page, click the link below to buy. So I think it's a fantastic program, and I'm offering you fantastic bonuses. I hope you will like the product and the bonuses, and they will help you get success in your online marketing efforts. So until the next review. Bye bye for now from Colin McIntyre.